Welcome to our channel. Have you been thinking about trying henna, but it's too long to mix it? Stop right there. We got you covered. Introducing our fresh henna paste, where we mix it for you so you don't have to. Now, we only ship our freshly made henna paste Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday due to the nature of keeping your henna very fresh. Now, since our freshly made henna paste are made in small batches and absolutely fresh for you and shipped out the same day, please make sure once you receive your henna paste to use it right away or to refrigerate it until use, but no longer than 1 to 2 days. Along with your henna paste, you will receive this pamphlet and instructions of how to apply, and especially if you are new to henna, please make sure you read through all of the instructions. And also, there are frequently asked questions. If you have any questions related to it, they all will be on here as well. Now, if you do have any questions that are not on here, please feel free to contact us at sales@thehennaguys.com, and one of our representatives will absolutely assist you. If you have purchased from us before, you have noticed that we recommend to mix with coffee if you would like to have darker color hair. Now, in our freshly made henna, we are only mixing it with water due to the fact that if you are not looking for something to really darken your hair, coffee is there to enhance it. So we're just going to be mixing this with water and also a little bit of lemon juice to preserve. If you do not want to use this right away, please freeze the paste and take it out 30 minutes before use. Now, here are a few tips to help your henna application easier. I do recommend you having a cape. So a cape, that way your t-shirt doesn't get any henna on it. Along with, you do need a shower cap and gloves, as well as a mixing bowl and clips. It helps you to partition your hair and also bring it up when you are done with the application. Any mixing utensil would work. And an application brush. Now, when you are ready to apply henna, all you need to do is open your package up and pour it in a bowl. Now, if you see that the mixture is a little hardened, just add just a little bit of water and help loosen up the paste. Now, if you're wanting to add any essential oils, you can do so, but please only add a few drops. If you do not have any of these items, don't worry. You can purchase one of our hair dye kit. Please just click on the link down below. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Bye!